Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, hold the power key and select power off. Now when the phone turns off, you want to hold the power key and volume down at the same time. Shortly after, you will see bootloader. There we go. So when you do, you can let go of those keys, and now using only volume keys to navigate, you want to select, looks like we need to select recovery mode, confirm it with power key. Next thing we will see is Android with no command, so let's hold power key and press volume up while holding power key, and this will take us to the recovery mode. And in here, again using volume keys, just scroll down to enter Fastboot, confirm it with power, and there we go, we are now in Fastboot mode. And here we have again a couple options like reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, enter recovery mode, which takes us back one step. We can also go back to bootloader, which was the first page we seen after turning off our device, and we can also simply power off our device. So that's all there is to this mode, so I'm gonna leave it now by sticking with the first option, confirming it with the power key, and just waiting for the device to boot back up. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.